This video is designed to help you, to walk you through the process of creating the Remembrance profile. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to sign into the branch that your historian profile is on. And then when you get to the home page, you're going to click My Profile. Now, when creating a veteran's profile, between profile and features, you're going to see either shipmates, wingmen, or brothers. On that list, the drop-down menu, you would click Remember a Veteran. Then you want to scroll down, and let's say my veteran was in the Marine Corps. Fallen, he died in combat. His name is Test, and Test. His service status at passing would have been USMC active. Now, if you are doing Air Force, I want you to choose USAF active. We do not have the USAF active in the drop-down menu for service status at the moment. We do have programming working on this issue. So if you're creating a World War II Air Force profile, choose USAF active at the current moment. Then then you will go on and continue male or female, year they joined the service. Oops. The year that they were fallen. They were enlisted. Their final rank was, let's just say, was a corporal. Last military job specialty course. If you do not know what this job specialty category is, we do have unknown MOS that you can choose. Now, this field is mandatory. I realize it does not have the red dot, but this field is mandatory to have some information in here. The last military job specialty code is mandatory. There has to be information in there. If you do not know that, you can choose unknown. Now, you're going to go down. If you see this on a profile where it says previously held MOS or service branch, completely ignore this. This is going to be removed from the Remembrance profiles. The only ones that you will actually see this on is if you have your historian profile on Army and creating a Remembrance profile for any branch. If you are in Navy and you create an Army profile, this is going to show up. Just ignore this, please. If you see it on there, just ignore it. So the next thing you want to do is that you want to go ahead and put the state that we're in. That's mandatory. Hometown is optional. Birth date, we prefer to have a birth date in here. So I'm going to put 1931. I'm sorry, 1921. 1921. Date of passing, let's say it was the 1st of January in 1945. Okay, my veteran, if they are not family, they are going to be, scroll down, remembered veteran. So they will be remembered veteran. Conflict will be World War II. Okay, so mandatory fields, they're select service branch, the remembrance type, their name, their service status at the time will be active for all branches because they were not a veteran, they were active duty when they were fallen. You're going to put the year they joined the service, the year that they were fallen. You're going to put their rank in. You're going to put unknown if you do not know it. If you do happen to know what their MOS was, and let's say this Marine, he was a combat forces or a gunner, you could put 0311 for combat forces, and then you could, hold on, 03, sorry. If you just click 03, the first two numbers, you're going to come up with ground combat forces. Most of the time, this is what they were um, during World War II. Now, the last specialty code, you're not sure, but you know that he was in the 300 job specialty category. Pick basic rifleman, and then you have those filled. So no matter what you put in here, this needs to be, these two fields are mandatory. The service branch, override branch, you're going to completely ignore this. It's going to disappear. Put their state of birth, hometown is optional. Birth date is optional, but we prefer to have it. Date of passing, you're going to put that. If they are not family, you're going to put remembered veteran and a conflict of World War II. Now I'm on my Army historian profile, and I'm going to create that profile. And it takes me over to the Marines. Okay. The first thing that you want to do is to go down to where it says military associations and other affiliations. You want to go ahead and click the icon box with the plus sign in it. You're going to click on that, and you're going to type in Stories Behind the Stars. And just click that. You'll see that it comes up. And then you're going to click Save Association. So now the Stories Behind the Stars affiliation is on the profile and will be in the Story Behind the Stars Roll of Honor page. Now, you always, like right here, what I did is that you're going to go back to service history. So that takes you back to the member's profile that you are working on. Then you will begin adding all of their information, their service history, their official badges, everything here. There is a training video for it link in the document that was sent to you. But this is the first thing you want to make sure that you do when you are creating the profile. One thing is that the remembrance information. This is where you will put their remembrance information. There is a video on how to insert that information. Now, to get back to your profile, since you are the creator of this profile, you'll notice I'm in Marines, and you will see Marine guest for anyone who's done this. The way to get back to your profile very quickly is to click your name under page administered by, that who is the owner of the page. When I click that, it takes me back to my Army profile. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.